This land is going to be tiled, and so we are providing access for a main and doing some restorative work along the edges of the forest for reclaiming what was lost. Hi, I'm Ron, president of Marvara Land Reclamation, based in Drayton, Southern Ontario. We specialize in land clearing, land reclamation. We work with developers, conservation, private landholders to restore and rehabilitate land. Today we have the DX235 Doosan excavator. It currently is attached to the Dangle Ryan head. We use that to cut our right-of-ways, selective cut logs, firewood, etc. We started working with CG equipment in the summer of 2018, and that's when we were introduced to the Doosan brand. I'm very pleased with the level of service we receive from CG. They do everything they can to keep us rolling. Prior to meeting CG equipment, I had never heard of the Doosan brand, so I was somewhat reluctant and skeptical. We demoed the machine. We were pleased with its quiet cab, easy serviceability. We've operated it 400 hours in the last 6 months. It's been a reliable, strong machine. I would say that in CG, you will find a good business partner to grow your business. That's what I found with them.